You never really forget what it feels like, sitting in that seat strapped in, the engines rumbling beneath you. It's this mix of terror and peace. You know what's about to happen, but a part of you still can't believe you're leaving Earth again. If someone asked me to take one more ride, this time to chase an interstellar visitor like 3I Atlas, I think I'd say yes before they finish the sentence. 3I Atlas isn't just another comet. It's a message in motion. It was discovered in 2025, faint, fast, and on a hyperbolic path, meaning it's not bound to our sun. It came from somewhere else. We don't know which star system, but it's not ours. It's the third confirmed interstellar object we've ever seen. First, there was Oumuamua, that strange, tumbling shard that looked like nothing we'd ever found. Then Borisov, a true comet with a trail and a coma. And now, 3I Atlas, icy, ancient, full of clues about another world's chemistry. Its composition is extraordinary. More carbon dioxide than water. That tells us it probably formed around a cold, dim star, a world where CO2 freezes solid. So when I look at its spectrum, I don't just see data, I see a fingerprint from another sun. If NASA told me tomorrow, Vera, we're reviving the old shuttle frame. You're going to intercept 3I Atlas. My heart would start racing, not from fear, from wonder. There's something poetic about launching on something so familiar, the shuttle, to chase something so alien. You'd stand on the pad, feel the humidity, hear the sparklers ignite under the boosters, and think, we're sending a machine designed in the 1980s to meet an object that's older than our solar system. It's like touching the past and the future in the same breath. Inside the shuttle, everything is vibration and noise. You're sitting on your back, looking straight up at the sky, and then, in 8 minutes, you're in orbit. Silence, weightlessness. From there, the mission would feel different, more raw, because instead of docking with a station or repairing a satellite, you'd be chasing a ghost. Atlas would be moving faster than anything we've ever tried to reach. You'd have to time your intercept perfectly, no second chances. But astronauts are planners. We live for checklists. You'd switch from awe to procedure in a heartbeat, adjusting trajectory burns, running simulations, monitoring radiation. Still, even the most disciplined part of you would pause, look out the window, and realize you're trying to catch a fragment of another solar system, a traveler from beyond our sun. People always imagine astronauts as fearless, but that's not true. You feel everything: fear, excitement, gratitude, loneliness, all at once. If I were on that mission, somewhere between Earth and 3I Atlas, I think the loneliness would be the hardest part, because it's not just physical distance. It's the awareness that you're heading towards something no human has ever seen, something that doesn't belong here and won't ever come back. And yet, that's the beauty of it. Touch something older than our sun, older than the planets, is to remind yourself how small we really are, and how magnificent that smallness is. Approaching an object like that would be unlike anything in the history of flight. It's not like rendezvousing with the ISS, you can't orbit it. It's moving too fast. You'd have to fly alongside it for a few precious minutes, maybe seconds. From the window, it would look like a shard of glass wrapped in mist, its surface venting jets of frozen gas curling into a soft white veil. You'd see layers, maybe streaks of darker material, carbon crusts, each one a record of where it's been, like tree rings for a world that's drifted between stars. And then, before you can blink, it's gone, fading into the black. But in that instant, you'd know it was real. You'd feel its gravity, its presence, this silent visitor that crossed infinity to share a moment with us. People ask, why bother? Why risk lives, money, time, for a rock? But it's not about the rock. It's about what it tells us, about how planets form, how systems live and die, and maybe even how life begins. Every mission we fly teaches us how to go farther, how to keep humans alive longer, how to think bigger. And if chasing one frozen traveler helps us understand where we come from, then it's worth every second. If I could stand on the shuttle's flight deck one more time, looking out as 3I Atlas drifted by, I think I'd feel a mix of peace and sadness. Peace, because I'd be witnessing something eternal. Sadness, because I'd know it's leaving, and so are we. But that's the nature of exploration. We chase the fleeting things, comets, moments, dreams, and in doing so, we define what it means to be human. I don't think we'll catch 3I Atlas, not this one. But someday, Someone will. And when they do, they'll be standing at the threshold of the stars. Thank you for listening to What Could Have Been. If you like this kind of content, remember to like and subscribe to this channel so we can grow into something special for everyone. Until next time on another video from AIstronaut Atlas, goodbye.